නමෝ තස් භගවතු අරහතු සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස. Dear devotees, welcome to another Dhamma discussion. In this Dhamma discussion, I am going to share with you another Dhamma stanza. In this stanza, our Lord Buddha preached, Nahi verena verani sammantida kudachanan averena cha sammanti esa dhammo sanattanoti. Nahi verena verani. Hatred is indeed never appeased by hatred. Sammantida kudachanan. In this world, averena cha sammanti. It is appeased only by loving kindness. Esa dhammo sanat. This is an ancient law. May the noble triple bless.